If you want a resolution to your high-tech solution, it's time to listen to David Pearson, presenting Tech Talks with David Pearson.
Hey everyone, David Pearson here with Connect Tech. I don't necessarily have a new product for you. It's new, but it's not a new product introduction. It's our Anvil-RX. It's probably something you've seen if you follow us on social media or been checking out our website. Of course, this is our AGX Orin ruggedized Anvil-based solution. So full system level IP67 shock vibration. And that's actually what I wanted to talk to you today about, is how we actually test this for MIL standard 810H. Just ensuring that you can take this with confidence and know that it will be fully functional, even if it takes a couple, let's say, tumbles or is subject to long-term vibration. So that's really what we've been looking to test this system to ensure that you can deploy this with full confidence. So from a vibration perspective, how do we test it? Sine-on random is what we used just to validate that long-term this system will continue to function regardless of where it's mounted. So sine-on random is really a two-phased approach to vibration. The first being sine wave testing. So that's more of like background vibration. If you imagine you're sitting on a plane, you kind of tune out that kind of background vibration from the engines. Sine-on is really just like propellers or engine vibration. It's passive in a way. But that's not necessarily reflective of the real world, and we know these are going out into the real world, so that's where the random aspect comes in. Planes aren't always, well, the smoothest ride. Sometimes you hit turbulence, and that's where the random comes in. So random just kind of simulates those adjustments in the vibration profile, just trying to keep the Anvil on its toes a bit. I'm pleased to say it did very well and fully passed the vibration side of things. But on the shock side, what did we do? Because we also ran this system through its paces. We used a Sawtooth shock profile, which is basically the harshest, to my knowledge, you can get with vibration. It's kind of a ramp up in acceleration and then a very steep drop off. So just, you know, you can picture it, right? So just trying to make sure this system is going through the harshest possible qualifications so you can put this into the real world knowing that it will continue to function for you long term. You know, Connect Tech has taken a lot of pride in our engineering expertise, both from the changes we need to make from a hardware perspective and the carrier boards, but also from a mechanical perspective, ensuring this system is the ruggedest it could possibly be.